loves. Okay, do you want to look like you have the most beautiful, highlighted, lifted, bourgeois skin? Do you want to look like you lost 5 pounds? Do you want to look like you have a beautiful, healthy, lit from within glow? I'm going to show you how to get this look right now. 3 amazing sticks. They do it all. Here comes the highlight. You know you're going to put that on your cheekbones. Lots of other places to just get that healthy glow, and they are so creamy. Love. Now, we're going to contour using these amazing sticks. Make your fish face. You know where to put them. Anywhere where you want to look slimmer, just blend it in, baby. All right, now it's time for your pop of color. Put it right on the apples of the cheeks and just, you know, everywhere you want to glow. Just blend it in and it's absolutely perfect. So that's it, my loves. 3 easy steps to get instant lifting and highlighting. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, we love you here at Mally Beauty. Stay bourgeois.